Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Today I want to show you how to make a really easy mesh stitch. This stitch I used for scarf. It can be used for baby blankets or shawls, or because it has a super cute texture. I was using 5mm crochet hook, and I was using a really nice yarn that I found in Dollarama. It's a 100% cotton. It's pretty thick, so I wanted you just to show how it looks with this kind of yarn. This is also same yarn. In the pattern you will see chain one space here, so if you skip it, your scarf or whatever you're doing, blanket, will look denser and tighter, so you will not get that big holes. So it's up to you. So let's get started. I want to show you how it will look if you're using a 100% wool. Before I was using 100% cotton. So make a slip knot and cast on an odd number of stitches. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and one more, yeah, odd. And the first row gonna be a single crochet. Because I would like to get a beautiful edge. So you just make a single crochet across till the end. Okay. Single crochet till the end. And couple more, 2 stitches, 1, 2. Okay, this is the first row. Now make a chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. So usually we skip the first stitch, but don't skip the very first stitch and go into this stitch. But before, make a yarn over, go into the stitch, make again yarn over, go into the next stitch. Now you have 5 loops on the hook. Pull through 4 loops. Now you have 2 loops. Pull through 2 and make a chain 1. Yarn over, go insert the hook into the previous stitch that we already been working, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, again 5 loops, pull through 4 and pull through 2, chain 1. Again you go into the stitch that you've been just working before, yarn over, into the next stitch, pull through 4 loops on the hook, and then pull through 2, yarn over, oops, oh, I did a mistake here, sorry. Let's back a little bit. Sorry. Chain 1, yarn over, go into the previous, yarn over, go into the next, pull through 4 loops, pull through 2. Yeah, now it's correct. Chain 1, yarn over, go into the previous stitch, go into the next, don't forget about yarn over, through 4, through 2, chain 1. It is really fast and easy pattern, really. I've done half of the scarf within one evening. Just don't forget to make a chain 1 if you want to get that mesh effect. Chain 1, go into the previous, yarn over into the next. Okay, I'm almost at the end. I just want to show you how to work in the last stitch, because I want the scarf or the blanket look symmetrical. So there will be one more. So this is the last stitch. Well, you have to go to the previous one, then to the next one. So you just do a simple stitch as it was before, and now you're chain 1, and now you're going to make a double crochet in the last stitch, because at the beginning we have chain 3, and now I want to finish with the same stitch, so it will be double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2 in the same stitch that you've been working before. That's how it should look. Look, it's so nice. Make a chain 1 and turn. Now you're going to work into the chain 1 space. You make a single crochet everywhere, single crochet in chain 1 space, single crochet. That's basically it. After this row you're going to repeat that for the rest of the pattern. You're going to repeat the row number 2 and row number 3. I'm doing it fast because I don't want a video to be that long. And the last, where the chain 3. So that's how it looks. I like the texture. Okay, I did chain 1, now chain 2, chain 3, turn. So the same, we're going absolutely the same. We're going to work into this stitch and then to the next stitch, pull through 4 and pull through 2, yarn over and to the previous and into the next. Pull through 4, pull through 2, chain 1. Yarn over, go into the next one, pull through 4, chain 1. I will do it a little bit faster, as I said, because I don't want video to be too long, but that's basically it, and you just repeat the rest of the pattern, the scarf. I will show this row till the end. Maybe there will be some beginners who is watching this video tutorial. We'll do it a little bit faster. Speed up a little bit. The written pattern you can find on my blog, crazyhands.net. If you need it, please visit it. So this is the last one, and as I said before, we have to finish with double crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1. Okay, I like how it looks really. And now you're going to make a single crochet into each chain 1 space. Almost done. Oh. And into the last. And chain 3. Yeah. That's it. Look. Do you like this texture? Oh, really, it's perfect for scarves. It's really perfect. Don't forget about tassels or pom-poms. You can attach them at the end. And here's how it looks with cotton yarn. I like it as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.